Here it is, the best chess set ever. So, this one has the triple weighted pieces and the black silicone board. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. This is the shrink wrap that's perfect for your local game store. There we go. We got this really nice modern design box. Open that right up. It's kind of a perfect tight fit. Okay, the first we have something wrong, we will fix it. Email us. It says, you cannot avoid mistakes and bad luck by Mikhail Tal, a former world chess champion, kind of a chess joke there. It says, we want you to be stoked with your new set. Email us right away if you have any problems. This one says, here's a couple common fixes and also our 1-year warranty and then an ability to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Here we have the strategy guide. So this is 32 pages. It's illustrated. Your chess adventure starts now. Then here's becoming a chess strategist. This is teaching you to set up the game. The next page is teaching you how each of the pieces move. The following page is teaching you things like en passant and castling and checkmate. The following page is teaching you some opening strategies and also some control of the center, which is an important thing to know about. Following, we got 4 tips for basic strategy. Protect your king, control the center, don't give your pieces away, and play with all your pieces. And the fun strategy is protect your queen, go for checkmate, don't take it too seriously, and play with all your friends. That might be the most important strategy of them all. So it's got 32 pages. It gets more in depth, and then it has tactics and even some Knights Tour fun facts. This one is explaining the googly eyes. This one explains how to put the board back in the box. And here are the googly eyes. Now this we just thought was funny. And basically if you put these on the chess pieces, it's kind of like an arts and craft project. It's pretty great. I think it's really fun when the googly eyes are on the chess pieces. It adds just an element of humor that chess didn't have before, which is great. Here's the strategy guide. It fits in perfectly. And then we will open it up. The silicone board, excuse me. This is the silicone board. We can pull it out of this nice casing. And you can see that this is a special style. It's made of silicone. It's not like a vinyl board. A vinyl board is more common, but it would crease or wrinkle in the box, so we definitely don't want to use vinyl. And this silicone board is basically one of the innovations that made the best chess set ever possible. It has a nice kind of stickiness so that when you're placing the piece kind of lands on that piece and stays there. And I really love the silicone board a lot, and we've had a lot of good feedback from it as well. This is a velvet bag that we added for the chess pieces so that the pieces kind of come in this nice bag, and you can actually just throw these bags in your backpack to be kind of on the go for chess. So this is a nice brand new addition. And then we have the chess pieces. They come in these Ziploc bags, and when you pour these out, these are extra heavy. So the set is, the pieces are 2.2 pounds, and the king is 3.75 inches tall, which is exactly the tournament regulations. It comes with 4 queens, so that if you promote your pawn into a queen, then you have extra queens to play with. So the weightedness is really nice. It's definitely a differentiator that makes this a nicer set. Enthusiasts and tournament chess players really love the weightedness of the set. The board is also a 20 inches by 20 inches, which is the tournament size, which means that each square is 2.25 inches wide. And we also have the algebraic notation so you can keep track of the game and record it as well. So we would just want to set it up. and we can start playing. It's as easy as that. Boom, 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 boom. One time I tried to compete for the Guinness Book of World Records for setting up the chessboard the fastest, but I am not the fastest in the world. But we can just start going right away with my Sicilian Najdorf. Boom, we're playing chess in under a couple minutes.